Hello, good morning, welcome. Let's discuss the article regarding the construction of the new Central Vista and the new parliamentary building. This is in news because the construction of the new parliament building will be started from the December of this year. And let's discuss in the article. This is the central government's ambitious plan to restructure the Central Vista. Uh, Coming to the Project Central Vista. What all about this Project Central Vista? To redevelop the Central Vista, that is a 3 kilometer long stretch of Rajpath. It is ranging from the India Gate up to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Let's see the map of this. This is the India Gate and this is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the Rajpath Road and it is the stretch of 3 kilometer long. And coming to the various structures in this Rajpath, this is the Rashtrapati Bhavan here, and this is the south block, and this is the north block, and this is the Parliament of India. These are the some of the structure important structures in this. And coming to the down, it is the India Gate. Coming to the back, that is the Central Vista project. It is the project to reconstruct the new parliament and the new common central secretariat. The construction of the new parliament will be started in December of this year and will be completed by the 2022 March. And the common central secretariat will be completed by 2024 of the March. And coming to the what will the new constructions will have, this Lok Sabha will have the 900 plus seating for the MPs and Rajya Sabha will have 400 plus seating, and the shape of the newly constructed parliament will be in the form of triangle shape, and whereas the Rashtrapati Bhavan will remain untouched, and no change will be done regarding the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and no building in this project will be must not be taller than the India Gate. That means ఏ బిల్డింగ్ కూడా ఇండియా గేట్ కంటే ఎక్కువ టాల్ అనేది ఉండదు ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో. Along with the new residences, along with this, the new residences will be constructed for the Prime Minister and the Vice President near the north and south block. That's why the three major executives will reside in the same place. That means near the Rashtrapati Bhavan, only the PM, Vice President and President, both are the three members are in the same place. Coming to the existing parliament will and the north south blocks will be repurposed as the museums. That means they will not be demolished after the construction of the new buildings. These will be repurposed as the museums, and a new building will be constructed for the Prime Minister's office. It is different. This is the resident for the Prime Ministers. It is the Prime Minister office for the official purposes. And the cost of the project is estimated. It is not clear up to now what will be the perfect cost of this total project, but the cost of the new parliament will be estimated. It will up to the 970 crores, but the total Central Vista project will not be concluded up to now. And coming to the original parliament, the structure of the original parliament is inspired from the Chausat Yogini temple, which is situated in the Madhya Pradesh, Morena. Let's have a look at this temple. This is the temple which is situated in the Madhya Pradesh, which will be the rounded structure what our parliament resembles. And coming back, Coming to this, the original parliament will be called as the House of the Parliament. It is designed by the two British architects. They are the Edwin Lutyens and the Herbert Baker in 1912 to 1913 period. And the construction of this original parliament building started in 1921 and ended in 1927. And coming to the, this is the blueprint of the now existing parliament, which is, this is the rounded shape of the parliament. And coming to this, there is a central structure. This is the central office. And here are the three semicircular shaped structures, which will be, one is for the library purpose, and other two are the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. And this is the central office. And these all about the blueprint of the older parliament, existing parliament. And coming to the back, what will be the need for the construction of the new parliament means, these were the structures, the central vista structures, 3-kilometer stretch will be the pre-independent building. That is, it has outdated. It has been constructed 100 years back. There is a issue of the structural safety and lack of the seats for the MPs for more than 700 seats. The number of the MPs will be raised after 2026 according to the new act will be passed. And the constituencies, Lok Sabha constituency will be more after 2026. Thus there will be increase in this number. And also the earthquake safety issues regarding these structures, and multiple secretariat buildings are now rented. They are not owned by the government of India. And multiple upgradation for the new amenities such as air conditioning and acoustic systems, all these will be included. Coming to the seats of the MPs, the newly constructed parliament will have the 900 plus MPs sitting capacity, and for the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, it will have 400 plus seats. These all about the regarding the project Central Vista.